What have we got here today?
Elephant.
Yeah, we have got Elefun. Is that the sound of an elephant?
Yeah.
Woo!
Yeah.
His nose. Is that his nose?
Yeah.
Open it up.
Let's do this.
Okay. Let's have a look inside. Ooh.
Oh, what's that?
And this must be its long trunk.
Yeah, let me see. Whoa.
Is that cool? Catch. Yeah, use the net to catch.
Yeah, you go. Catch. Catch it. Orange.
It's an orange net.
Yes. And blue. Cat.
Got some butterflies here. Yes, these butterflies fly away and catch it.
Wow.
Let's count how many butterflies there are, yeah?
Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 18,
14,
14,
15.
16, 15,
Yeah.
18,
17, 18, 19, 20.
Yeah!
So we've got 20 butterflies.
Yes, and this yours.
And that's mine. I'll get one green one. What colours have we got?
Orange,
Yeah.
yellow,
We also have a blue
blue,
and